Welcome to the Fix It Easy Tech Channel News. And, what do we have? We are, of course, in a new month. And today is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020. On this channel, we do take a look at the different operating system market shares around the world. And, of course, it's usually and is here the Android operating system that is dominating at 38.8% of devices. After an interesting drop last month where it kind of was under Windows, which was kind of weird, it got back up. So from 36.46, it got back up to 38.83, which is typical of what it should be. Windows dropped from 37.3 to 32.37, which is kind of interesting that it has such a huge drop. It's kind of a very weird drop when you look at it. We do have the iOS or iPhones and iPads. It was at 14.36 last month. Went up to 16.5 this month. OS 10, that was at 8.6, dropped to 7.3. So interesting to see these numbers and the drops that go with them. Especially interesting drop. Quite a steep drop for OS 10, which is Mac operating system, and Windows. Did people decide to stop using their PCs and use their devices, smartphones and tablets? I don't know, but it's kind of interesting. Unknown 3%, and Chrome OS shows up at 0.85. So this is nice to see that Chrome OS is actually there, barely making it at 1%. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.